Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Investor Tip Tuesday. This is a revisit of don't ever become a two-headed monster. And what that refers to is when you have two leaders in the same deal or in the same household. You can't have two leaders. When you have two leaders, it means nobody's in charge. The example would be, I have people come to me all the time and go, wow, I love this, I want to do it, I'm going to join your group, but I need to go talk to my spouse. This is a mistake. I generally ask the person, really? You've had that policy? They go, yeah, I've been married for 20 years. For 20 years, neither of us ever make a financial decision without talking to each other first. Great. Are you in the financial position you want to be in? And they answer no. And I say, then stop doing that. It doesn't work. That's a two-headed monster. Plus, why would you put that type of pressure on your spouse? Are they a multimillionaire entrepreneur? They're not? Why are you going back to ask them about financial decisions? It doesn't make sense. Somebody has to be the leader. Somebody has to take control and get the job done. I literally bought a company that was worth hundreds of thousands of dollars for $0. Zero. You want to know why? Because they had two CEOs. They were a two-headed monster. And these were two brilliant individuals, wonderful people. But because they were in a situation where they were both in charge, which of course means nobody's in charge, one thought the other one wasn't doing enough work. The other one thought that one wasn't doing enough work. They butted heads. They couldn't make a decision. And they finally signed over the company to me for $0. Don't fool yourself. If you think that you and your spouse make a good team, we make all our financial decisions together, you're wrong. And it's going to destroy you financially in the long run. What you want to do is put one person in charge. You, male, female, doesn't matter, make that person in charge of the finances. You still get to put your input in, but the final decision needs to rest on that one person. That is the only way you'll ever succeed financially. That's Investor Tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching.